Welcome to the live stream. Thank you to those who are rewatching this live stream. You're already doing great. If you thought about getting to the mentorship, get into it. I changed it to a lifetime currently because I want to build a community with real traders. So if you really want to learn this skill and make money trading, get into the mentorship. It's so dirt cheap right now. Just do it. You have lifetime access to a course I'm gonna consistently improve, and a chat that like you'll never lose access to. That I'm eventually gonna put a paywall over monthly, but that's not until the future until we have a community. So get in early and take advantage of everything now before I grow. Yo, what's up, Money Glitch? Good morning. I just saw your message in the chat. I didn't see it. I'm gonna finish my top-down analysis. If you want to be profitable, let me get you there. And yeah, that's it. So all right, let's do our top-down analysis here. If you have any questions, please ask me. I'd love to help. We put my line at 9:40. It's already about to hit. So there's no point. Never mind. Okay, so let me do from 8:30 to. Oops. Go up here. I gotta put my Fibonacci line here. There we go. And then I get the highest and lowest sweep. This sucks. There's two here. Okay. I'll get the tighter one. I'm winning a lot with your strategy. Thanks. Yeah, if you want a more in depth, get into the mentorship. I have a course that I'm constantly improving. I answer any questions if you have them. I got really good at mastering market direction. I like to teach you also. I mean, it all hinder your learning. I have the opportunity. And the mentorship is lifetime right now, so it's super duper duper cheap. It's no longer monthly anymore. I'd love for you to be in it so I can actually take it to the next level. You can only go so far doing this alone. Making this green. Okay. I even teach like on the, especially if you trade the 5 second, on the mentorship course, I talk about the range and how to like create your range and understanding like what direction is and where direction is gonna go. So you can have higher probability setups, then you can go for higher RR because you understand direction. See, there's something that we go over, and the course also is a high and low from 3 to 8 o'clock. It's central time. It's London. And we always get a reaction to those lines. But like I said, if you want a more in-depth, get the course. 3 o'clock right here. Where's 8? So that's the highest, obviously, right here. 8 o'clock is where? Right there. Is that the lowest? Okay. What a coincidence. All right. I'm up $300 today. You should just log off. If I don't know what your risk is per trade. If you're risking $100, then you should log off. You shouldn't trade for the rest of the day. I avoid the first hour because yeah, 100. Yeah, you should just end the day at 3 trades or 2 losses. There's no need for you to keep trading. Yeah, you should stop. If you have the lockout feature, lock yourself out for the rest of the day before you make a mistake. There's no need for you to keep going. Yes, TASEV X, yeah. There's a trade that I might take right here. There's a lot of confluence to why I should take it. I'm gonna put my order here. Short position. Okay, I'm afraid because it's a zone right at 940. 5, 6, 7, 8. I can't catch it. Come on. There it goes. Okay. We'll see if this delivers or not. I like it a lot. There's like I have so much confluence. Why to take this trade? Let's see if we get filled here. Oh no, did I do it wrong? Oh, it's 7 contracts. No, it's 8. It's 8. I did it right. Okay. Good luck for your trade. Yeah, I appreciate it. We'll see. We're playing a game of probability, so we're always expecting a loss. 3 trades or 2 losses. That's how you manage risk. It's just being selective with everything. We'll see. I like how there's London, the 50% initial balance, also the higher time frame. Bottom of the 15-minute zone is right there too. So it gives me a lot of confluence on the setup. And we're respecting it, as you can see right here and right here. We also have a range below that we might reject. So we'll hold it. I wonder what time it is for you right now. I know you're in a different area of the world. Is it like late night for you right now? Right now it's 9:40 a.m. for me. I don't want to take zones within zones, so I won't take this bottom range. Mm, 9:30. Yeah, that's crazy. You're 12 hours ahead. That's insane. That's pretty cool to trade at night because like you kind of already woken up and you eat in and whatnot. You already had your day. Dude, I'm telling you, get into the mentorship. Take advantage of it. Um, there's just so much opportunity, especially now. And I love to have somebody who actually knows what they're doing in the mentorship so I can help other mentees. Come on, let's see if we get filled here. I really want the community and the mentorship to focus solely on my setup and nothing else, like nothing else at all. So as a community, we cut the learning curve down for all the new people so that everyone immediately knows exactly what they're supposed to be doing. They have a checklist, all the mentorship stuff they use as their advantage, and the mentorship course too tells them exactly what to do, like a step by step. So the people who've done it before are helping the new people coming in, and everybody's just growing together. And that's easy because we're focusing on this strategy and nothing else at all. So there's no confusion or like we don't like we know what we're doing, but as a group. I've noticed all these other communities and stuff, like they have like all these strategies and it's kind of just like a psychology group and it just doesn't make sense. I wanted something very, very niche. So this play we're expecting a loss. Um, we've already had this is gonna be our second tap after standard deviation, 100% away from the zone. That's what standard deviation means. Let's see if we get filled here. If we break this eternal swing and get another tap, that'll be my third tap. And I'll take my order off. So let's see. I did not like how close we got to 40%, but I'm still interested in the play because of the confluences I have for this play. And for all the new viewers watching, I teach these little lines in the mentorship course. It's 50% of the first hour high and low, and I have the high and low of London from 3 to 8 o'clock in the zone. And then I also have a higher time frame, bottom of the zone in the zone also as more confluence. We have the sweep here, swing high, the swing low, the tap on the zone, like we always talk about, the break of structure after the tap. After 100% away, we start counting our taps. So I'll count this as 1 tap, this is 2 tap, and it looks like we're about to get a 3rd tap here. I normally like to count the eternal swings a tap, but seeing how we're reacting here, I'm not really liking this. Get rid of these drawings. So this might be my 3rd tap. We'll see what happens. See. Yeah, if y'all have questions, please ask me. I'd love to help y'all. This is so easy. Just looking for the same pattern again and again. Just don't do this alone. Do it with a community. I might take my order off here. I do not like how much we have chopped before entering. It's very unattractive. Let's see. I just like how we haven't came up to here yet. Because I'm expecting a reaction up here in this area. Do we have any FEGs here? Yeah, we do. It's right here. It's right there. Okay. I'll give it one more shot. Now watching old live streams and doing back testing. Awesome. Yeah, it's a really good idea. If you watch too, I have like a playlist. It's called backtest, and it's just me yapping about the strategy. But I just record my backtest sessions, and some of them are my afternoon sessions recorded. So you just see how I apply it live, and you see how I apply it backtesting. I really recommend backtesting on TradingView. I have a discount code for it, solely because TopStep X are using TradingView's charts. So I want you to master the strategy subconsciously by performing the same habits as you would in TradingView. So when you do apply TopStep X, there's no transition. Like you're just doing the same thing you did when you're backtesting. I'm gonna take my order off here. I did not like how much we chopped before entering. We more than likely might deliver the zone. It might actually give you the 1-to-1, but I want to be selective here, and it's just not meeting my standards. This was my biggest no-no right here, is breaking this eternal swing after the chop. Did not like it. Okay. Also, too, 940 just started, so meaning the volatility just stopped from the 1 hour open. So then now it's a little bit predictable after that wave has happened. So giving a little bit 10 minutes, 20 minutes of breathing room. So that's what we're doing right now, just giving it a second. The volatility, the price moving up and down, is due to how people react to news or just in general. So a lot of this is predictable because it's just people's behaviors that we're watching. I don't see any place on the upside here. Nope. Yeah, nothing's going on right now. I would also take my order off if I saw this. Mostly because I can show you right now if you want to see. I don't talk about this much, but when there's an FEG in a zone, a fair value gap, it's an ICT concept. I notice that when we fill it, we normally come back to just take everything else. So this reaction right here would have been another confluence that 50% of this FEG was being filled. I wouldn't even have been able to take the trade because it looks like it hit 40%. Yep, the 40% we talk about, it also got hit. This invalidates the zone, meaning the zone is mitigated. Okay. It's off. Yeah, so if we break this, it seems like we're gonna move into the middle of this high time frame zone. Where is, okay, I'm gonna put a line there. This is 50% of the 15-minute zone above. So I assume we're gonna push to it and then come back down. We can try to catch a bullish play to the upside or catch a bearish play back to the downside. Here's a bullish play. Good morning. How many points do you aim for on average per trade? I go for 1-to-1. I'm always risking 1-to-1. I can show you right now. So let me put a long position here. I would enter at 50% of a square of a zone. I would enter at 50%. I would use this tool to tell me how much to risk. So I'd put this tool right in the middle. I'd adjust this to the top of the box, to the bottom of the box. It tells me 13 contracts to risk $200 for this trade. So each trade I risk only $200. The goal is to pass a combine risking 10% of the drawdown you're allowed to have, meaning the prop firm. We get passed. When we pass, we get funded. We're given money to trade after we pass. So just apply the skill first and the money will follow. So I put 13 contracts here to risk $200 to make $200. You can go for higher RR with the strategy, but I have an 85% win rate. There's no need for you to go higher RR right now. Just stick to the 1-to-1, master the 1-to-1. And in the future, you can worry about higher RR. 1-to-1 is enough. Because you can size as much as you want. You can get multiple accounts, duplicating your size. Just master the skill first. Right now, I'm real big on gauging direction, understanding market direction, having a lot of hypothesis. The more I understand direction, the more I can take plays that are with the trend. This is a good play right here. I like this play a lot, solely because we're bullish, but we have not confirmed bullish because we haven't had a 1-minute close above this zone yet, so I can't confirm bullish yet. So taking this play right here would be counter trend and lower probability because we are still bearish. And bearish just means price is coming down. Bullish means price is going up. You just want to find a trade that's with the trend. This is not difficult. I mechanicalized everything. So I want a 1-minute full body close above this red zone that I can confirm that we're fully bullish. This zone up here is 50% of a higher time frame zone. So I'm expecting us to come all the way up here and reject back down. In this window, I can find bullish plays. In this window, I can find bearish plays. But you want to be selective. That's where the money comes from. That's why they always say like discipline, but it's the truth is you don't have a strategy you understand. You don't have max conviction. You're not backtesting enough. And when I tell you to go backtest, you're over there trying to play on your prop firm account when I told you not to touch it. It's just a lot of habits that people always perform again and again and again, but they can't listen. Just master the skill. Stop worrying about the money. Stop worrying about your prop firm. Go backtest, master the skill, then apply that skill to the prop firm. And if you did 30 backtests and submitted them all in the Discord, you would literally you blow it out the water because you're mastering the strategy, the skill. This is so easy. And would you rather learn to do AC or learn how to trade? Everybody will say trade. There's no difference. If you're doing AC, you'd ask your mentor questions, you'd practice, you go home and study if you needed to. If you're trying to start your own business in AC, or you can trade, ask your mentor questions, do the same thing, backtesting again at home. And then when you're ready to trade, you're so locked in and ready. And I'm real big too about finding an accountability partner. You need to put in the work to help somebody else succeed, and they'll give you the same thing back. So you're working as if you're raising a child. You're working with an accountability partner, and you're doing the same thing, trying to work on the relationship between y'all to help you succeed. So then y'all both counter each other, and y'all both blow up together. You can get any accountability partner, but y'all both need to be focusing on the same strategy or it's pointless. And then if y'all both master the strategy, y'all both can just give each other attaboys. It's just like, you're doing good. We don't really need to call it a day. Move on. The whole point is that there's something called equilibrium that I talk about. Here is all your pride, where you get comfortable. Down below is your fear and greed. You need to be at equilibrium. Right in the middle is EQ. Having an accountability partner keeps you at EQ. So they're asking if you're back testing still, if you're journaling your issues, blah blah. Just make sure you're doing everything you need to be doing, because as soon as you stop doing everything you're supposed to be doing, you go back to being comfortable, being lazy. You fail, going right back to frustration, and it just happens again and again and again. It's called a boom and bust trader. Stay at equilibrium, staying in tune with your emotions. Have a strategy that you can fully master. That's all it comes down to. If y'all are unsure about anything, please ask me questions. I'd love to help. As I have said every live stream in December, December normally has bad price action, so we want to be very selective today. The beginning of January is also a little bad. I think honestly the beginning of January is worse than December because all the earnings that happens, all the news reports. Um, so we just these 2 months we just need to be very selective still and keep our standards high. Come on, buddy. We're struggling to break this 15-minute zone. And more than likely we'll deliver too. Let's see. I marked out 2 zones here. One that's delivered. How did I get this bigger one? Oh, I see what I did. Okay. I see another zone, but this one might deliver on the 15-minute. This one more than likely will deliver on the 15-minute time frame. That's a nice setup. Very nice setup. So you can see it, the sweep right here, swing high, swing low, and then the taps, and the break of structure after the taps. Let's get rid of that drawing. I'm on the 5 second, so I'm not trading 15-minute zones. But I do understand where they're going and what's going to deliver because I can understand direction. It gives me more confluence on my thesis earlier, what I said. Come on, come on. You're watching paint dry for the next hour. Ooh. Was there a setup too that I missed? No, it was not. Thought I did. Then there's double check. This sucks. This is already giving me bad indications that we're gonna have a really slow day. Okay, yeah. Let's get that 1 minute close. So this zone has delivered already, but this zone has not delivered. I'm gonna put a circle there so I know where that's at. Okay. Let's see how we react to this area. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be very strong. I see a zone that I like. It's real small. but we're switching to bullish here. Might take it. Long. What is it? 22 contracts is a lot. Oh, I missed my entry. I wasn't fast enough. Let's see if it delivered. Changes back to green. Or video green. Sorry. Let's see if I would have taken a loss or not. I really wanted this play. I can assume they're going bullish now. We got the sweep, swing low, swing high. The tap on the zone, the break of structure after the tap, 100% away. Yep, 50% got filled and take profit got hit. I just wasn't fast enough to get into it. I was taking my time. I did like it though. It was just very textbook. It is risky because we didn't get a full 1 minute close. As you can see right here, we only wicked it. So it could have been counter trend. But I have a lot of belief that we're going to keep moving up here. We'll see. I'm not a wizard. Looks like we're already coming back down. Oh, this would be a bearish play right here. But there's no proper sweep, so I'd have to pass it. The channel, other constant community support. Dude, awesome. Thank you, last word. Yeah, I know you're in the mentorship, and I know you said that you loved it. If there's anything you need me to adjust or add, let me know. I'll get it done. I'm on standby. I want you to succeed. I love how active you have been backtesting. A lot of people don't listen to me when I tell them to avoid the prop firm account because like a lot of people come from prop firm accounts. So like they just can't take a step back to actually learn the skill first. They feel like they're losing money or like they're missing opportunity, but the opportunity never existed if you never mastered the skill. Backtest live. Sorry, texting back a leader R. Give me a second. A mentee. Maybe I just didn't make it clear enough. The replay mode. What backtesting is, for those who don't understand, you're trading historical data, like old data in the past, like the old days, not live sessions. Hold on, picking dates in the past. There's a play here. It's the first swing though, so it's lower probability, so I'm not gonna take it. Come on. This sucks that we're just ranging now. We're on the range again. If I get a pull down, I'll be interested in this bearish play right here. Because we seem pretty bearish now. I just need to get to standard deviation. Let's change this to short position here. 16 contracts. Okay. I'm interested in this play. 15. Sell one, 16. Main. All right. Ready to rock and roll. Let's see if we come back to this. I like this play a lot because we're really confirming bearish at this point. This would be a higher RR play too. Oh shoot, I'm not ready. Oh no, I was not ready for that. Leave it there. No, it came and failed. No, I wasn't ready. I was stretching. That sucks. That's really, really sucks. How much did we lose there? Man, that sucks. Um, take profit hit. I just wasn't able to move it fast enough. Damn, that's so frustrating. Whatever. I was stretching. Okay. Take profit hit. I wasn't able to move it fast enough. We move on. We still got 2 trades. I like this play because we really are bullish now. I thought we were bearish because we're breaking on this red area, but obviously the volatility has spiked really hard to the upside. Filling this 50%, like I was talking about, this little red area. Let's put a position there too. It's 10 contracts. Okay. All right, I'm liking this play a lot. Sweep, tap. And I like how we have left an FEG here, the volatility of it leaving. It's very bullish. And we have a bullish trend. We're more likely going to reject this area and come back to the zone. I like this play a lot. All right. See if we even come back down. So we're already at 50% of a higher time frame zone. Now we're expecting price to pull back. The volatility is scary, I won't lie. It's a lot of strength. It really sucks that I wasn't able to move my TP fast enough. Oh, this might deliver, but it didn't exit the zone. Mm. Just sitting and watching. We have contracts here for a play, but I'm gonna take it off because we got way too far. I'm liking it. Maybe we'll come back from here. If we bust the upside, I'll just have to take this off on the bottom because it'll be a lower probability play. So far, we only had one trade, and I didn't move my TP fast enough. TP delivered, the setup delivered, but I was stretching, and it just went straight for a stop loss after hitting TP. But I didn't have time to move my TP. I can show you right here, 50%, and then take profit. Happens. Come on, buddy. I really like this play a lot because the volatility that came out of it, it's so strong. Let's put this right there. This zone right here might deliver. I'm not gonna take it though. But if you look really close, you can see that there was a tap. It just didn't happen before exiting, and there was volume with the tap, but also equal highs and the tap in the zone. So I'm not gonna take it, but we can use it to gauge direction. So like if we hold this, I'm assuming that we're gonna stay bullish. But earlier, I was expecting this to break because this is a 50% of a higher time frame zone. So I don't want this to hold. If you have questions, please ask me. See how this is holding right here? We got to tap on the zone. We're respecting this zone a lot. This gives me a clear indication that we're still pretty bullish. I might need to take my order off for this play because if we get too far away, I don't want to take it. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. The 1 minute right here. There's a zone up here. This is the range. The first hour high and low. We're at the top of the range right now. I can draw the setup too if you want to see it. Sweep right here. Swing high, swing low. Create the zone from the swing high and swing low after the sweep. Tap on the zone, break a structure, and that's all you need. You just do it again and again and again. Because after that break of structure, price comes to 50% and fills you and hits your take profit. But price right here, look. So the sweep right here, price came, didn't exit though, but it did tap, broke structure. Then we're getting reactions to it already. But you normally want price to come out, then tap. All right. We'll see if we bust through this because of this the range that we're in. But I honestly think we're gonna hold and keep going higher. Come on, buddy, breakthrough, breakthrough. Come on, buddy. I see something. No, I just can't take it because it's in because of the zone right here. I like it though. I like how we reacted to it. If I get a reaction, I think I want to take it. 26. Yeah, I really like this setup. I want a very good reaction though before entering, because if we don't, I'll just take it off. There we go. We're gonna bust through. Please bust through. Come on. Ah, we're really respecting this zone. Well, it got mitigated now, so it's delivered. That was predictable. I normally knew this was gonna have a reaction or deliver solely because of this tap right here before exiting. Because a pattern still happened, it just didn't happen in the best order. And here's mitigated right here. Mitigated. Come on, come feel me. I know you want to come down here. Come on. There we go. Dun, 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 dun. I'm pretty upset about what happened earlier, how it went straight for my stop loss and it hit my take profit. That's annoying. I love this zone. I really want it. If we get too deep of a tap on it, I'll take my order off. Mm, mm, mm. Sounds like she's just playing games with me. I'm ready for that downplay down here. Let's see if we break this. Mm, 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 mm. Come on, buddy. I like this one. I just want a reaction before entering, because I normally don't like taking zones within zones. But it's top of the range. We haven't fully filled the range yet, so I'm interested. We're gonna come back up now. We're gonna come back up, little buddy. Yeah, I'm still sticking to thinking that we're gonna drop. There's too many indications. that we're more likely not gonna continue forward, going up. We just keep pounding to the downside again and again and again. Maybe we're getting orders before we shoot up, but it seems like we're too weak. This volatility keeps spiking us up, and then we fall. Then we spike up, then we fall. So like we spike, accumulation, spike down, accumulation, all of this buffoonery. Come on. Come on. What I don't want it to do is we break and then we swim and then we go back up. No, I more likely have to take my order off if we do that. Oh, it's good setup. I like too. And if we I need us to break it though. Yeah, where's standard deviation at? Yeah, I like this setup a lot. If we continue to the downside. If we don't continue down, then obviously not. 21. Yeah, look, we're not continuing down. If we would continue down and broke, um, they would have been perfect for me. Is it reached 40% already? Yeah. It's a no-no. Let's get rid of that. Hey, at least we're trying to be ready. That's good. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. I'll put a line at 11 so I know when to stop here. Yeah, I got a lot of time left. There's so much that could happen. There's a setup in here, but this zone has just been so chopped. It'd be way too risky. Ugh. All right, I'm not liking this volatility. Let's see what happens here. I'm not liking how strong we're moving to the upside right now. Like a lot of steam just came out of nowhere. I need a reaction to this. If I don't get a reaction, I'm ripping this order off. I'm not a fan how we didn't get too close. Let's see. Hmm. We're just ranging. I'm doing nothing in the range. I'm ready to take my order off for this one. Okay, it's exactly what I wanted. It's nice. Perfect, perfect, perfect tap. Nice little pullback after the tap. Can we fail here? Okay. Can we hit take profit? We're gonna hit our stop, aren't we? Ooh, 280 is a lot. Hmm. So I keep coming down. See if we can catch more. Our 1-to-1 is right there. Yeah, 1-to-1's delivered. Break even on the day. Okay. Let me journal this. Or higher online. Stick to 1-to-1 live stream. Okay. All right. Only nitpick is didn't like how it was in another zone. The zone above was a the zone above was a what? A zone in the range. Okay, so we're breaking for the day. We had one loss. Well, it ended up being a win, but um if freaking I didn't move my TP fast enough. And then the next one is this one right here. Setup that we're looking at right in front of us. Okay, let's get this out the way. This setup. It's red. Let's keep going. Pretty play. I like it. I need structures to still break right here. Price needs to come and break that to be interested in it. But I like the price action that it has given me. When I see this volatility come out, it's a higher probability setup. I don't think it's gonna hold though, because we've been raging so hard. Yeah, as expected. It delivered the 1-to-1, 50% take profit. I want us to break in one direction already. Another play to the downside here. Don't think I like it though. Yeah, we already tapped too much on that zone above. Wow, I'm liking this. Let's see. Let's make this zone more visible so you can see. There we go. Did it reach standard deviation? It did. Main. Oh yeah, it failed 40% right there. Yeah, it already mitigated it. Because mostly it's in their zone. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. I'm gonna go get some grapes real quick. I'll be right back. It won't take me longer than like 2, 3 minutes. I'm going to go get grapes real quick. I will be right back. Currently, I am one went up and one lost down. So break even. Okay, I'll be right back. If anyone comes in here yapping or something, ask where I'm at, tell them to read the screen. Okay, BRB, give me a second. Give me like 1 to 2 minutes. I'm back. Sorry. Hopefully, we didn't miss nothing. No, just breaking the range, going up. It's more buffoonery. This needs to be. Oh, look. Pretty little lad. All right. Only. Sorry, one of my mentees is asking me a question. It's called bar replay on TradingView. Only replay the times to trade. Start the session. Then pause. Do your market direction things. Then press play on the bar replay. Screenshot and journal everything. I wonder why I can't send this message. Okay. It's still no tap on the zone. Come on, buddy, let's do something. Video green. Okay. Okay. Nice. Wow, wow. I committed to live streaming the afternoon now also. So 12:30 to 1:30, I'll be live streaming. Come on, come on. I'm honestly mad that we're in the day on break even and not in the day at 2R because of the because I was stretching in the position. And it's mainly Top Step's fault because I can't do bracket orders yet. I don't know why I can't. I feel like they should have had bracket orders in the beginning. See if we can still. Yeah, we can't. It's annoying. Welcome to the live stream. We're doing nothing right now. We're just staring, watching paint dry. If you're confused about anything, want to ask questions, let me know. We're just moving up. December price action is pretty bad. This is a zone I'll be interested in taking if we break this high. Let me be ready for it just in case we do break that high. 18 or 17 contracts, got it. Textbook setup here. Let me show you. Sweep, swing high, swing low, tap on the zone, break of structure after the tap, 100% away. Then we enter at 50%, take profit above, or stop one tick below. Price looks like it's gonna come and break structure. And I'll be ready to enter. Let me change this to my main. And look, 17 contracts. So I put 17 on the table. Buy 15, buy 16, 17. Then we just need that structure to break. If it doesn't break, then I won't take it. And it looks like it's not gonna break. Oh no, I really want to take this. Come on, come on. I'm just hoping for us to break this red line up here. That'll follow all our requirements for the setup. I can draw the setup here too. You're just looking for this pattern again and again. And if this seems easy right here, and this seems complicated, this is now easy. See, you're just looking for this pattern. It's not complicated at all. You can swing high, swing high, swing high, swing low, swing low, swing low. Just every low, every high. We look for the sweep to happen, so the new swing low gets created. We get the previous swing high. We create a zone from that swing high and swing low. Let's make it green. Then we want price to touch the zone, and then break structure. So look, swing high, swing low, the sweep that happened, taps the zone, and then hopefully break structure. Normally what you see is price comes out, taps, then takes off, but sometimes the tap will happen late. But it's just really struggling to break structure. And then our last requirement before entering is we want to eventually reach 1 SCDV, 100% away. With this play, it reached 1 SCDV where? Right there. And after reaching 1 SCDV, we start counting our taps. We want less than 3 taps on the zone. So since we reached 1 SCDV here, we start counting the taps. So we have 1 tap. And if we get 2 more taps, we take our order off. The goal is price comes back into the zone, fills me at 50%, picks all my contracts up at 50%, price comes back up, and hits my take profit on top of the zone. And my stop, where I get taken out of my position, would be below the zone, 1 tick below. We didn't really break structure here, which kind of sucks. The game seems like it wants to try, but just can't do it. I kind of might just be leaning here because how close we got. And I overall like the position that we're in right now to go long to make a bullish play. Yep, we broke structure finally. Yep, we did. Let me show you exactly where. You see this candle right here, the line? You see how much we crossed? Just barely broke it. So that's breaking our break of structure right here. BOS. Break of structure. So tap, break of structure after the tap. We put our order at 50%. If we get 2 more taps, we take our order off. Let's see what we do here. Ideally, I just want to come in, fill me, and I'm not worried about it. Sometimes we'll just swim around before coming in. I like seeing a reaction before entering the zone also. Here's a zone right here. The top and the bottom. I call this NNT, by the way. NNT. New name trading. Okay. Let's see if we come and get filled here. Come on, buddy. We draw an arrow. Maybe it'll follow. No, it goes the opposite direction. The absolute opposite direction. It's funny. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Oh, I see a play here. And it delivered. That's pretty cool. Honestly, I would have taken this if I saw it. Just because it's the sweep over everything. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. They're just swimming around. Come on. We're expecting a loss. We want to keep our emotions at bay. My break even, if I take a loss, then I'll be down one trade on the day. If I win, I'll be up one trade on the day. I'm real big on stopping after 3 trades or 2 losses. So if that's the case, I've already used my 3 trades. I'm thinking of having 3 trades in the morning and 3 trades in the afternoon for the live streams. I know I can perform. It's not habits that I want others to replicate. So I'm kind of afraid if I do it, and I'm trying to teach not to do that. It's going to be pretty conflicting, especially since I want a community focused on this and nothing else. So I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure what I want to do. You know what I can do too is I can look over all my data, um, and seem like average performance in afternoon. Man, it's not even bad now I think about it though. I have looked at that. Man, I don't know what I want to do. I'm really debating here if I want to do 3 trades in the morning and 3 trades in the afternoon. But I feel like there's just a lot, and I really don't want to push more trades on people. I'm just not sure what I want to do because if I do my 3 trades now, then I'm done for the day and I don't need to trade afternoon. But if I want to show up for the live stream in the afternoon to trade for others, oh, you know what I can do? Um, if I do decide to not um, take more trades, I can just backtest in the afternoon session and then like make a video with that on the live streams. Because then you're still learning and being engaged. So here's a reaction to the zone that I like. I'm not liking how strong we came into it. I'm afraid we're just going to go straight for a stop loss. What's that? 40% right there? Yeah, if we hit this blue line, I'll take the order off. Looks like we're about to hit it too. Nope, not just quite. 40% again. This feels like a bad idea. Yep, let's take it off. Damn, it sucks. That really sucks. I wanted to take this. I really did. Let me tell you why I took my order off. I really wanted this trade. 40%, not 50% where I had my order at. Then we touched this blue line, which is 12.5%, meaning that the zone is mitigated and it's no longer tradable. So as you can see, we filled 40% and we came in, we delivered, take profit. So now there's no need for me to take the setup because it's no longer tradable. Take profit already has been hit. Let's change this to video. Okay. That really sucks. I wanted to take that trade. I was really hoping we would too. No, we just sit and wait. I can show you play to the downside if you want to see it. We don't hop off until 10 more minutes. Also, too, with my afternoon live streams, I'm deciding on it. I more than likely might be less engaged of speaking about what's going on in the charts and just yapping in general, and only respond to people who ask questions because I think I want to watch YouTube or like watch something while trading the afternoon session. Just so I'm not sitting here yapping away. And even if I have no views, I still talk for the people who do rewatch the live streams. I know there's people who want this more than others, so it doesn't hurt for me to put in the work. If we break to the downside right here, I see a play that I want to take, but I need that break to happen. I learn most by watching other people trade. Yeah, most definitely. I have a mentorship too, where I have a course that goes over everything. My live streams, I have backtest videos. Like, if you have any questions, please ask me. I really, really am big about mastering the skill. and especially using the prop firms that we have nowadays, just take advantage of applying that skill. Because there's no need to trade your own capital. It's reckless to trade your own capital at this point, unless you're maxed out on size on prop firms, but that more than likely won't happen anytime soon if you're not even profitable, like anytime soon at all. Okay, so I need this to break, and standard deviation is right here also. If that does happen, I'm interested in getting into this position to the downside. Thank you for telling me, Tom, too. I love asking questions, especially to my mentees, to understand what I need to adjust or change or work on. The whole goal is to like you come in to this mentorship and you have no questions. Like you fully understand what you need to be doing, and you'll learn even more because you have the community with you. The community is doing the exact same thing you're doing, and y'all all are just following a systemized checklist to become profitable. That's what I'm really working on right now. I'm doing all the live streams of content. And at the end of the day, I love teaching. Like I really do enjoy teaching. So when someone asks me a question, like if you go to the mentorship chats, you see like I'm like sending pictures and like really trying to make it clear because I don't want them having questions. I can even show you too if you want to see it. Like I just genuinely care that people understand. Like I'll just give you a little snippet right here. See, like he asked me a question. I made sure what he was asking me was clear. Then I gave him a full explanation of everything that he needs to understand. And he said, "Oh, okay, I see it now. I'm starting to understand market direction." Like that is so cool to me that he's understanding like I can do that for people. It gives me more purpose instead of just sitting here and watching paint dry on the charts. These are not zones I'm gonna take. Just using them for direction. I really like this setup. Mostly because this break was gonna come from bearish, and I was expecting us to come back, but we're getting pretty far, so we'll see what happens. I still like this play though. And if you want to see the setup here, where is it? Okay, let me make this more tight so you can see. So the sweep happens, swing high, swing low, price comes out, taps the zone, break structure. We have an order of 50%. And standard deviation 100% away was like around right here. I have this like filter on my screen that like makes the colors a lot darker. Like so, like my eyes are melting on the screens. It's a blue light filter. So like my candles right now are green and red, but I know you see like pink and blue, which is pretty funny. Like I'm just like I turn it down. I'm like, oh, I forgot my candles are a different color. Let me know if you want me to change them. I literally would change it to anything you want. I just want to avoid anything that has a white background. But I can only do so much with a white background. It's just way too bright. Like I'm looking at the sun. I wonder if I can go black background with it with these colors. Yeah, I think I can. Yeah, that makes it a lot better. I didn't even think about that. The gray's pointless. And I can see high time frame zones better too now. So we stopped trading at 11 o'clock. Um, I'm really hoping that we come back up and feel this. Like I'll give it to like 11:10 latest, but I'm not sure. It seems like the volatility already has died down. We normally get a strong move at 10:40, and that move didn't happen until what 50? Yeah, this is that move that normally happens around 10:40. So it seems like we're already exhausted. We don't really have much steam left. I'll wait the 3 minutes. But I doubt we're gonna have strength to the back to the upside. My thesis is supported in a sense of what's been happening already. We have a big move with a lot of accumulation. Big move to the downside, with a lot of accumulation. Um, Same thing. Yeah, it just keeps happening. You see it. Big move, bunch of accumulation. We didn't really have a move here. We just still accumulated. Like right here too, big move to the upside, accumulation. It's December, so when price action is normally bad, it stays bad. Although a lot of people do too is if they're already like coming to the session and price action doesn't look desirable just as it is, they won't trade. Um, and they're not afraid of missing opportunities. They're just it's protecting their mental capital. You're doing this Monday through Friday. If you skip a day, it's only beneficial. And your mental capital is risk management. It seems like all common sense, but when you're in it and you're doing it, what I'm saying sounds completely different when you are in it. Because then you know what I'm saying. If you have any issues with instant gratification, also like a bad phone addiction, you're gonna seek instant gratification behind the charts also because you're feeding a gambling habit. And instant gratification also means dopamine addiction. It's the same thing. You just like have no strong will to manage delayed delayed gratification, like going to the gym, cooking, self love, leaving the person that you were before for the new person that you want to become. A lot of society now is lazy and weak, mostly because of the phone addiction, what they're being fed, the lack of self love is gone. A lot of religion is good because it practices self love, like um, Christianity and Catholic, like all this. It's all good because you're building a lot of discipline. They say for the higher power, but if you take a step back and look at the situation realistically, they're doing it for themselves. So even if you're one foot in, 1 foot out with faith or religion, I really recommend you give it your all and you push towards religion or faith. Same thing. Um, in the act of self love for yourself and not for the higher power, putting yourself first, because that first step will take you miles. You need to love yourself. You know those people who have kids and they're like really bad parents. You can confidently say that they don't love themselves. Like they're not a grown adult. They can't take care of their child. Same goes for you now. If you can't perform behind the screens, are you loving yourself? What are you doing out of the screens? How's your life not behind the screens? Is it chaotic? All right, my last small speech before I hop off. Trading is just like poker. There's no difference at all. If you have the best hand in poker, you can still lose. If you have the best hand and best probability in trading, you can still lose. This is a game of probabilities. I have an insanely high win rate solely because I've been doing this for 6 years. I keep a high win rate because I'm very selective. I fully understand what I need to be doing. I have full conviction in my strategy. I know what I'm supposed to be doing. You would not make these mistakes if you're a profitable trader. You're unprofitable because your life is a mess. Your relationships are a mess. Your mentality is a mess. And if all that is dealt with, all you need to do is master the skill, then you'll succeed within days. If you have a balanced lifestyle and you're a full adult, if you're 6 years old right now and you have a family and everything's going great, you will master this strategy within weeks if you're 60. Like I'm not over exaggerating, because you're just learning a pattern on the screen. Like you're learning a skill that is so easy to apply, so easy to learn. And now I'm creating a community around the strategy, so the learning curve gets even shrunken even more. All right, that's enough of me yapping. Get into the mentorship. It's so dirt cheap right now. I'm really trying to build a community foundation I don't know how long I'm going to keep it cheap for. And I more than likely might go back to monthly and when we do grow. But right now, get into it, take advantage of it. I want your input. I want you to tell me what you're struggling with. I want to know what I can adjust. I want to know what I can do better for you. Because in return, that builds loyalty, that builds community and growth. All right, I love teaching. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to hop off now. I'm going to come back at 12:30 to 1:30 Central Time to trade the afternoon session. Hopefully we find a setup there. I only have one trade available left. All right, so T2YL, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for learning. All right, take care. And I have a playlist. It's called Be Profitable. There's a lot of good knowledge and steps back there. If you don't even master my strategy, you just watch that playlist. You'll understand what you need to do to be profitable as a trader. But it's basically just having mass conviction in a strategy. All right, and that's it. Okay, I'm hopping off. Thank you so much for listening. Get into the mentorship. Let me help you be profitable. Stop trying to do this on your own because you won't succeed. You need a community. You need a mentor. Adios.